Yo, what's up guys? Back again with another video. This time I'm going to show you how to install BuildTools, or how to use BuildTools rather, so that you can get the latest versions of CraftBukkit and Spigot, so that you can use it to make a server or to do some plugin development, stuff like that, okay? So let's just jump right into it, okay? So let's see, we need to first download the actual BuildTools itself. So we can do that by going to here, just click this link and then it's going to download it for you. And then now just go on to your desktop or somewhere, anywhere on your computer, and then make a new folder. And I'm going to call it, I'm doing it on my other monitor, but name the folder anything you want to. I'm going to just call mine BuildTools, because I'll be using these tools to build plugins or my server, right? So anyway, now you just click keep, of course, if you're using Chrome. Let that finish here. Alright, so now you just drag and drop into that folder here. Boom, just like that. And then now let's rename it so it doesn't have the one on the end like that. Like this. Yours won't probably have that if it's your first time doing this, but just make sure it says buildtools.jar, okay? And now that we have that, you need to install Git. If you don't have Git, then you need to come to this website here and install it. It's very useful for doing basically getting stuff from repositories and stuff like that, like GitHub and the GitLab and a bunch of stuff like that. So just make sure you have this. You're going to need it for development in the future if you're a developer. And so download this by going to, well, let's go to the home page. I'll leave the link in the description for you anyways, but go to here, go to the home page and then click download. And then now it's going to download for you. And then just click this and open this. And then I'm going to show you real quick what to do. I already installed it, of course, but I'm going to just show you something real quick. Alright, so it's done. So just click yes, of course, so it can make changes to your system. Click next. And then now when you get here, when you select the components, make sure that you have git bash and git GUI. Well, you don't need git GUI. You don't need that if you don't want that. But make sure you have git bash so that you can use the console for Git. And so now you just click next and then install it how you would normally install something, right? I don't really care about any of this. Yeah, just leave it default probably. You're good to go. And so once you have that, you're good to go. So now we need to do is go back to the folder that you made, right click here, and then now you should have this option git bash here. So that's going to open up the git bash console. And then now we can type in a command which is going to use this jar file to get all of your build tools, okay? So we can go down here and we can see the various things that we can run. So if you want the latest stable version of the CraftBukkit and Spigot build tools, then you just run this command here. But that's not going to give you the actual latest version of Minecraft, okay? It's going to give you the latest version of the stable version, okay? So it's going to be 1.13. So if you want the actual latest version of Minecraft itself, of the latest build tools of Minecraft itself, then you would need to do, you need to specify the version, okay? So if you want to get 1.14.2, all you got to do is copy this command here, Control C, then go here, right click and do paste just like that. And then what you do is press enter and now it's going to run all that for you. But if you just want the latest stable version, then you just run this command here and then you do the same thing, right? So that's just how you specify the command. If you want any other version of BuildTools for any other reason, if you want to develop on a different version of Minecraft, then you just specify the version here, okay? So that's pretty simple, right? So once you select the version that you want to do and you put the command inside of your git bash console, just click enter. Then now it's going to take a while to download everything for you. It's basically going to get everything from a big repository and then download it all to your system, okay? So just give it like a couple minutes. It should take it shouldn't take too long. It should take up to like 5 minutes maybe, because it's a lot of stuff. Is going to be downloading like thousands of files. So just let that do its thing and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so if we look at the git bash now, the console, it says that it's a success and then everything compiled successfully, and so we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and look inside of here. We have the buildtools.jar, and then finally we have the main file that we'll need is the Spigot 1.14.2, which is what you can use to make a new Minecraft server if you want to. Just copy and paste this into a server folder, and then you do all that if you want to. And if you want to know how to do that, how to make a server, then just go ahead and watch one of my other videos. I'll leave the link in the description for you. And then also you can use this for plugin development. If you want to learn how to make Minecraft plugins for your server, then just go ahead and check the description also. I'll leave a link for that too. I have a series with about 30 videos on how to do that. So also we have the CraftBukkit here, so target, and then now we have the latest version of CraftBukkit in case you want to use like packets and stuff like that, which is also featured in my latest video of the Spigot series, so make sure you check that out too. And then so besides CraftBukkit, we have let's see, we have Bukkit. If you want just the regular version of Bukkit to make a Bukkit server, then you can go ahead and do that. So yeah, you have all the things you need to make a server or make plugins for a server, okay? So that's it. That's all you got to do. If you have any questions about what I did today, you could ask a question in the comments section below. If you need any help or anything like that. In the description, you'll also find a link to our Discord, so you can join our Discord and hang out with us, ask questions, whatever you want to do. Just go ahead and join our Discord. We have about 200 people in there. So that's about it. Of course, check the description for more links. But if you like the video, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe, and peace.